In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on Weebly, and we'll have it all wrapped up in just about 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by visiting the Square website. If you're not familiar, Square offers a suite of helpful tools for managing your online presence, including Weebly. So head over to their free appointment scheduling software and booking app. Once you're there, look for the sign in button, which is typically located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it. This will bring you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials, so be sure to have your username and password handy. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself on the Square dashboard. This dashboard is your command center, providing you access to various tools that Square offers. From here, navigate to the section that says Weebly. It might take a few seconds to load, so just be patient as the system processes your request. Now you're ready to work on editing your site. Direct your attention to the Overview Weebly dashboard. You'll find a button labeled Edit Site. Click this button to enter the Weebly editor where the magic really happens. The Weebly editor is a robust and user-friendly platform that allows you to customize your site to your heart's content. Now to the main task, changing the text color. In the Weebly editor, you'll see various sections you can edit. Locate the text section that you want to modify. Once you've selected it, you'll notice a set of editing tools appear, and among those tools, you'll find an option simply labeled as text. Click on this to bring up more settings related to your text. You've made it this far, and now we're reaching the final steps. Once you're in the text settings, look for the color option. Click on color to reveal the color palette. Here you can choose from a spectrum of colors or even input a specific color code if you have one in mind. Select your desired color and you'll instantly see the change on your website preview. Always remember the importance of consistency in your site's theme. Choose a color that complements your existing color scheme for a polished, professional look. Once you're happy with your changes, make sure to save them so they're reflected on your live site. And there you have it. A few clicks and you've successfully changed the text color on your Weebly site. It's simple, yet it makes all the difference in creating a visually engaging website for your visitors. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials.